Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Windows is online and you have admin rights. This lets updates install smoothly. Open Chrome and keep it as the focused window. Next, click the three-dot menu at the top right. That is where Update controls live, so don't waste time looking elsewhere. Once done, hover over Help then about Google Chrome. This triggers the version check automatically. Make sure to leave Chrome open while the browser searches for updates and downloads any available package. When the About page runs, Chrome checks servers and begins downloading if an update exists. You'll see a progress indicator that confirms the download is active. You don't need to stop work, but avoid closing Chrome because closing aborts the process. After download, Chrome prepares the install. The browser will prompt you to relaunch. Go ahead and click Relaunch. Chrome restarts and applies the update, ensuring extensions and profiles reconnect. If you manage multiple windows, Chrome preserves tabs and restores them after relaunch. Finally, verify the About page reads. Google Chrome is up to date. That proves the process succeeded. If you still see an older version, try Relaunch again or close Chrome and run it as administrator to allow installer permissions. Make sure security software isn't blocking updates. Temporarily disable it, then repeat the update. If problems persist, reboot Windows and retry. Reboot clears locked files and often resolves update conflicts. This single troubleshooting step fixes most stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.